2017 Harley Davidson Fatboy Low S featuring 110 cubic inch of V-twin power, 6-speed cruise drive transmission. The blacked out treatment on this bike to include motor and exhaust, blacked out wheels as well as floating rotors. This bike featuring black denim paint, half moon floorboards, blacked out handlebars, risers, cruise control to this motorcycle, flat black paint carried onto the frame. Here's a good look at the other side of the blacked out motor. ABS braking on this bike and the blacked out front end. All popular add-ons to a bike now stock on the Fatboy Low S. Come in and check this bike out for yourself at Harley Davidson of Tampa, Brandon, Newport Richey, Panama City, and Tallahassee. Online at hdflorida.com and demo rides every day at any one of our locations. Pick yours up today. Have a rockin' Harley day.